Welcome back to another Beer of the Week video hosted by yours truly, Andy. So coming at you with an awesome beer, actually not a very typical beer that you would drink on a beautiful summer day such as this. This is the exact beer you wouldn't want to be consuming on a day like today. I have this fantastic beer from Godspeed Brewing, an amazing craft brewery on the east side of Toronto in one of our favorite neighborhoods, you guessed it, Leslieville. This is called the Irori, or the Irori. If I'm saying it wrong, please tell me in the comments. Would love to know the correct pronunciation. This is actually a tribute to a craft brewer by the name of Greg Noonan. Greg Noonan was a huge craft brewer in the east coast of the United States. Wrote a lot of books. He's kind of one of those craft beer gods that a lot of brewers really look up to. This is a peated Scotch Lager. So you might be thinking like a peated Scotch, like a Scotch whiskey that's really smoky flavors, those really woody type of Scotches. Maybe that's your thing. I love Scotch myself. I'm not really a huge fan of the peated stuff. We're gonna give this lager a try. So here we go. Beautiful day in downtown Toronto. If you're not out today, you should be. It's gorgeous. So here we go. Take a sip. Yeah, that's very fun. So the ABV is actually 8%. So this is gonna hit me like a little bit of a freight train, but I'm ready for it. So you get really a lot of those peaty kind of smoky flavors out of this particular lager. Kind of does tastes like a peaty Scotch. So again, if peaty Scotch is your thing, if you really like those smoky, woody flavors of a Scotch, this is definitely one to check out. Scotch lagers, they're pretty hard to come by. I don't think I've even seen one other than what Godspeed has created here. It's kind of one of those interesting beers that you definitely, if you like exploration, if you like trying something new, this should definitely be on your list. Thanks very much for watching today. Make sure to stay tuned for next week's Beer of the Week. And remember, craft beer, hey, it's here.